Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pinning an Instagram comment. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the comments section where the comment you want to pin is located. Then swipe the comment that you want to pin to the left. Don't swipe it all the way to the left or you will delete it. Just swipe it halfway. Here you have the options to report, delete or pin the comment. To pin it, tap the pin icon. Then tap Pin Comment in the pop-up that appears. You can pin up to 3 comments on each of your posts. The person who made the comment will get notified that you have pinned their comment. If you change your mind and decide you don't want the comment to be pinned anymore, then you need to swipe the comment to the left again and tap the pin. Tap Unpin on the pop-up that appears. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.